Hello, beautiful and wonderful learners. So, I have this question that said, out of 7 women and 9 men, a committee consisting of 3 women and 4 men is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done if, first, any woman and any man can be included? Second, one particular man must be in the committee. All right, let's see. This question has 2 parts. So the first part is that we are looking for any woman and any man to be included in the committee that's made up of 3 women and 4 men, right? And this committee are to be formed out of 7 women and 9 men. So let's see total women, right? And then we are forming a committee that any man or woman can be in, but it must be made up of what? 3 women and 4 men. So committee will be 3 women, right? And what? 4 men. So out of total of 9 men, we should form 4 men. Out of total of 7 women, we should find what? 3 women to be added in the committee. So this is as easy as the first value. So for men now, it will be 9 combination 4, right? So with the 9 combination 4, we just have 9 factorial all over 5 factorial 4 factorial. So that will be 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial all over 5 factorial 4 factorial. This cancels this. And then 4 factorial means, let's break down this also. This is going to give you 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. So they can cancel through. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So we have 9 times 2 times 7. So 9 times 2 times 7 give you 126 ways. Okay, so let's see the number of ways that we can select 3 women out of 7. So we have 7 combination 3, which is 7 factorial all over 7 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial. So this is 7 factorial all over 4 factorial 3 factorial. And this value can be broken into 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial all over 4 factorial 3 factorial. So this 4 factorial can cancel this 4 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. So we are left with 7 times 5, which gives us what? 35 ways. So the number of ways of forming a committee that it's made up of 3 women and 4 men, where any woman and any man can be added, is going to be what? Therefore, final selection will be equals to 126 times 35. So let's multiply this value. 126 times 35. It's going to give you 4410 ways. So we have 4,410 ways, right? Okay, so let's see the next information that is asked. That's option 2. This is option 1. Now in option 2, they said we should form this committee, but one particular man must be on the committee. Whether we want to do anyhow, one particular man must be on the committee. So first, let's find that of the women, and then we'll handle that of the men, that one particular man must be in the committee. Right? Now, if we have for women, so it's going to still be 7 combination 3. And that value gave us what? 35 ways. So let's keep that one first. And then we'll handle the one for men. This for women, right? Since there is no complication. All right, so let's consider that of men. They say one man must be in the committee. So since we have 9 men, if we take out one man, how many men will be left? 8 men, right? We have what? 8 men. Yeah. Okay, so we'll be picking 3 men now out of the 8 men that are left, because one is already put in the committee. Whether there is any reason or not, one is already removed. So one man is out. We are left with what? 8 men. So we're going to be selecting. Let's go to the number of men now. Since we have removed one man, we're going to be selecting 3 men out of 8, because we cannot select 4 men again since the men have reduced to 3. So now we'll be selecting 8 combination 3. So this is going to give you 8 factorial all over 8 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial. Okay, so let's break this down now. It's going to be 8 factorial all over 5 factorial 3 factorial. 8 minus 3 is 5. So let's break this 8 factorial now. So this will be equals to 8 times 7 times 6 times, I'll stop at 5 factorial so that they can cancel through. All over 5 factorial 3 factorial. 5 factorial will cancel this. 3 factorial will cancel this. So you are left with 8 times 7, right? You see, if you keep doing like that, your solution will be quick. 8 times 7 will give you 56 ways, right? Okay, so now that we have gotten the number of ways that 3 women can be selected from 7, and the number of ways that 3 men can be selected from 8, then let's multiply them together to get our final answer. So it's going to be 7 combination 3 times 8 combination 3. So it's going to be what? 35 times 56. So let's see, 35 times 56. It's going to give you 1960. So we have 1960 ways. So this is the number of ways in which that committee can be formed. So I'm going to stop here in this one, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.